Today we're going to be looking at paragraphs. Paragraphs have 3 or more sentences that focus on the main idea or the main topic. If you have a change in topic, then you need to start a new paragraph. For the first 10 slides, we're going to be practicing identifying what the main idea or what the topic is for each paragraph that I've written. So what you're going to do is read the white paragraph up on the top, and then down below you're going to type what this paragraph is about. So since I'm showing you what to do on this screen, I'm going to read this paragraph to you. You're going to have to read them on your own and come up with the main idea on your own. But for this one, let me read it to you. Polar bears have to stay warm in the winter. They have a layer of blubber that's under their skin. The blubber is a layer of fat that keeps them warm. This is how polar bears stay warm in the Arctic. All right, then down below it says, what is this paragraph about? So we're going to double click the question mark so it turns blue, and that means I'm ready to type the main idea of this paragraph. And since I read through it, I can see that this paragraph's all about polar bears staying warm. So I'm going to put polar bears staying warm. And that's all I had to put because I'm just doing the topic for these slides. Then you're going to go down and find the one with the green title. And this question says, where should I start a new paragraph? If you notice, I put a red paragraph symbol up here in the corner. You're going to be pulling this paragraph symbol down where the next paragraph should start. So there should be 2 paragraphs in each of these practice screens. So I purposely put it into one paragraph so you can pull this paragraph symbol down to show me where the new paragraph should start. So remember, each paragraph has its own topic, just like the paragraphs we did before. They all focus on one topic. These paragraphs also focus on one topic, and you have to figure out where the topic changes. So for this one, I'm going to read it to you so we can do it together. I like to go swimming with my friends. We always splash in the pool. Jumping off the diving board and going down the slides are always a favorite. I also like to take my dog on walks. He pulls on the leash sometimes, but he is learning. Walking is good for both of us. Okay, so in this screen, I have 2 different topics. The first topic's, there we go. The first topic is swimming, and the second topic is taking my dog on a walk. So I need to pull this paragraph symbol down right before the sentence that changes its topic. So here I have this sentence is about swimming, 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 and aha, this sentence is about dogs. So I'm going to go to the beginning of this sentence right here, and I'm going to pull my paragraph symbol right in front of that sentence. So that shows your teacher that this is where the new paragraph needs to be starting. Okay, so there's a couple more for you to practice. When you're all done with that, please turn it in.